Yo, good morning. So it's Monday again. We're just starting our week. We'll see how we go today. Hopefully, we get a good trade. Hopefully, we get a win. But market's not looking good. It opened up with a big gap. But yeah, we'll see what New York brings on. All right, so starting off the week with a loss. I was bullish. So I was initially expecting like we go here to this value gap and then reverse go up. That's what I was expecting. That was I was betting on with also this 4 hour. After that close, this 15 minute, taps that, then closes like this, and I was like, okay, maybe it's like one of the times where we did something like this and then just rallied up higher, where we ignored because we just tapped a higher time frame bullish PD array and we go higher. Decided to bet on the longs. The 5 minute looked good. Okay, so if you look at the 5 minute, you almost have this inversion of this fair value gap. You have the inversion. I waited for us to touch this fair value gap and the 1 minute to flip structure back to bullish. So you got the touch right here, then it breaks structure right here. And I was like, okay, this seems pretty good to me. Long these guys right here look good. So I'm just gonna bet on this and bet that we continue holding. I know what one of you guys will say. Oh, there's this extreme 1 minute here. That's purely hindsight because there was also this for value gap. There was also this for value gap right here, and look what price did. It just inverted. So you never really know if this is gonna get respected or not. All I know is that I had a bullish bias, I executed on it, and I'm pretty happy with this execution. I then took another risky trade, but that was on a challenge account, which was essentially this right here, and I took the loss as well. So, but I don't really care about this trade, to be honest. I'm more update to the account. It is minus 1.5k. So gonna go to the gym now, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Tuesday starting now, I'm gonna go into Funded Trading Blueprint Zoom call, and then I'll update you guys if I get an entry after market open. All right, so we're about to hit TP. Okay, I'm gonna sell two. So now I got one in. I'm gonna cancel this and I'm gonna let it run. So that's it, 250, not bad. All right, so update. This is now running. I had my final TP up here, but this is not really running. So we are $400 up. Account is minus 1.1, and yeah, let's hopefully tomorrow we can keep this up. This was great execution. I kind of didn't want to execute here, but to me it was just obvious that we would go higher. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna edit the short video and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Beautiful day outside today. I just got out of the gym. Hit a sick workout. Every workout is sick, even if it's shit. I want to talk about being in Drawdown because after I got my first payout, my ego got huge. Right? And this caused me to make a lot of mistakes. Basically, those mistakes costed me like $1,000 in Drawdown. The thing is, at this point where I'm at, is just I need to reduce my mistakes because that is what's gonna make me profitable in the long term. That's what's hurting my profitability now because my ego got so big. I can just execute on whatever and market will hit my TP. No, that's completely wrong. And I'm glad I could like identify this now at $1,000 drawdown instead of like blowing the account, blowing another account and be like, what am I doing wrong? Well, first of all, I was taking trades that were not per my system. That alone says a lot. Today's trade was pretty good. I actually wanted to hold to go higher.
But as I was, close to my TP, I was like, maybe I'm being greedy here. Market's giving me $400 in profit, and I'm just basically saying, okay, I don't want this. I want more now. But it seemed pretty good at the entry. I was like, whoa, if I get this wins, like, it will be so good because I'll have more space. I won't be so bottlenecked. But then at the time, like, this is greed 101, 100%. At the time, I was like, oh yeah, now I want more. I want more because I deserve more. And no, like, market doesn't owe me shit, dude. That said, I think it was pretty good. I kind of gave into the idea. I was like, okay, let's find a middle ground. I'm gonna sell 2 contracts. I'm gonna let one ride until daily profit, and then, like, just training my patience a little bit to hold trades. Did that, ended up working greatly. I just need to focus on executing my strategy to the best of my ability, okay? And that's it. Profits will come. Profits are a byproduct of executing properly. I know this, but sometimes I just, get too cocky, like I just did with the payout. And I just started, I think it's gonna go higher. There's an order block here, there's a fair value gap here. Boom, let's just long, stop goes below there, and then market should go. And then I have a 5-minute bearish trend, a 5:15 and 1 hour bearish trend against me, and I just longed, I don't know, the 15-minute pullback to go lower, right? So I was basically just trying to call a bottom. Being in drawdown is completely fine, completely. Now, problem comes when you start taking trades that you should not be taking, and you're not being disciplined, which is my case with the $1,000 in drawdown. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to talk about. And I'll see you tomorrow for Wednesday. Hopefully we get another sick trade like we did today, okay?
Yo guys, so quick update here. I just took a minus half hour loss, and yeah, I'm gonna show you what the trade was. So the trade was this. I entered here. Okay, my stop loss was down here, and then my TP was somewhere up there. I kind of wanted to hold till this target. This is a 4-hour fair value gap. I assume like this 1 hour technically got respected, and this now looks good to go to the upside, but it's very choppy. You can see all these wicks. This 15-minute looks very, very choppy. Same thing for the 5-minute. I exit at around this area. Because I said after this close, either I want to see like a push higher, or if we start dumping like we did here, right? Even if we close here, I'm just gonna exit here because there's no reason for me to hold since like the 5-minute is bearish. So decided to exit there for a half hour. Didn't see any reason when 5-minute internal structure aligned bearish. Same thing here, because this is an extreme 5-minute inside a 1 hour fair value gap. I expected for this to hold better. It is holding, and it's still holding. I was just like, got chopped up and decided to exit here because I just said, okay, these market conditions are not ideal. So yeah, that's it for today. Quick one. I'm just gonna go to the gym now, and I'll see you. Yo guys, so today's Friday. Nothing happened today, nothing happened yesterday, so I didn't record anything. I mean, it's already like quite a long video with just me talking and just me going to the gym, but hey, these are my weeks. I'm trying to be as much transparent with you guys as I can. Obviously, there's some things that I cannot show yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit the video, end it here. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week.